Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just want to show you how I made these little seed bead rings. They're super simple to make, and there's not that many beads that you have to use. Let me show you how it looks on my finger. Look how cute it is. So I'm going to show you how I made these. So I used Bead-Along elasticity. This is stretch cord, and this was 0.5 millimeter. Some multi-purpose cement glue, and just the beads. But these are the beads that I use from Hobby Lobby. Okay, so I don't really cut the string off right away, and you can actually do this with a needle, but I don't. My needle broke, so I'm gonna do another purple one. Oops. I'm just gonna start adding them on there. I got glue on my hands. I'm actually gonna add a little heart to it. Just gonna cut it. I always do this a little bit, and then I'm gonna tie one knot. And then tie another. Some glue. If you don't want to wait for this to dry, you can always just use super glue. Okay, and that's it. So look how cute it looks together now. There, put that one. This one. This one. This one. It's probably too much, right? So I don't know. But it looks nice, you know. So that's that. Super easy. Please like, share, and subscribe And go over and check my other channel. Is jewelry making only and in Spanish. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.